If you want to build an application form with an approval workflow fast, without coding or getting overwhelmed, this quick tutorial is for you. I have tested the most popular tools out there, and by the end of this video, you'll have your form and approval process up and running in just a few clicks. Stick around because I'll also show you how to get an exclusive free trial to the software we're using, available only through my channel. Let's get straight into it. First, you'll log into the software. Link for the exclusive trial is below. Once inside, go to Forms and click Create New. Choose a blank template to keep things simple. Drag in your fields, name, email, drop down for departments, or anything you need. Make sure to mark required fields so submissions don't go through incomplete. Next, click over to Workflow or Automation. This is where the magic happens. We're going to set up an approval process. Add a trigger when a new form submission comes in, then add a step, send notification to the assigned approver. You can route approvals based on conditions too, like department or request type. Just add a condition step, then create separate branches with different approvers. Now here's the part that makes your workflow smart. Add a delay if needed or reminders if approvals are pending for too long. Then add the final action, either approved or rejected, and trigger an email to notify the applicant of the outcome. You can also push approved entries to a spreadsheet or your CRM automatically. No extra tools needed. Before you hit publish, go to Settings, enable form access permissions, and make sure only authorized people can view or submit it. Then click Share to get your public link or embed code for your site. Test the whole flow once by submitting a fake entry and confirming the notifications and approval routing works end to end. Here's your key takeaway. Building an application form with approval workflow doesn't need to be complicated. If you use the right software, you can have it all set up in under 10 minutes, from form fields to multi-step approvals. It's all about having the right trigger action logic and clean user interface. To recap, you created the form, added key fields, built an automated workflow with conditional approvals, added alerts and actions, and published it securely. That's everything you need to streamline applications, whether it's for internal requests, hiring, or project approvals. Before you go, don't forget, this software comes with an exclusive free trial only for viewers of my channel. The link is in the description. Use it to follow along or build your own system today. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.